Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm an AI-generated avatar. The goal of this course is to teach you the skills to allow you to generate an AI video like this, plus exposure to more forms of AI. This course is for content creators and anyone that wants to get a head start on this exciting new technology. We will learn the basics like setting up your template, avatar, background, scripting, music, and publishing a video. In addition, you will also learn about other forms of AI like image generation, AI effects, and ChatGPT.
So I hope you enjoyed that introduction from my AI avatar, Michelle, but I thought it would be important to actually have a human speak in front of the camera before beginning the course. I thought this would be a good demonstration of what's possible with the video AI generator, and my goal for you is to have you create your own AI generated video on this platform. So thanks for joining the course. We're going to learn a lot as well as give you exposure to other forms of AI on various platforms. So let's begin.